We're here.
What?
We're here. It's pretty awesome, huh?
Ready?
Yep.
Action!
Hey, what do you think about this place?
Let's go! Whee! Daddy?
Yeah?
I want...
You're floating. You're floating downstream. Okay, come on. You don't want to go too far down there.
Daddy,
Because you'll float all the way down to the ocean.
I want to float to the ocean.
Nah, that's way far, huh? This is just about the perfect summer spot you can imagine. Right off Potter Valley Road. Oh yeah. Yeah.
You want to like go in the middle?
Huh?
You want to go in the middle?
That might be kind of deep over there.
No, I mean, go by the mini waterfall so I can float like it. When I go right here, I can stop. Can I try that? Please? Please, Daddy?
Go up there. Go play.
Yay! I'm ready, Daddy!
Go for it.
I'm going right there!
That's pretty dangerous water. I don't know. Hey, Coop. How about a thumbs up? All right.